Here we are, lovely Sunday morning in our country kitchen. Val is at the dining table, about to have some breakfast. Max is getting ready to put a shirt on so he can go outside and do the chores. Alright, here we are out in the yard. We're coming around to the newly made chicken house. Don't open the door yet, I want to get the chickens in the window. You can see the chickens in the window. All of them ready to come out. Now we're going to open the door here. And here comes the steady stream. Here's the babies.
Hi guys.
A couple of them perched there. Good morning.
Good morning, ladies.
Look at me. Tell me about your chickens.
Well, they're silkies. They've been in a cage their whole life, I'm guessing. They're part silky. I think that's where they got their small from. They're very sweet. They're both probably asking me, please put me down.
So we're getting ready to feed the smaller of the horses. There are 4 smaller horses and 2 big horses. I'm going to take one of the pans. Can you open the gate for me, Max, and follow me in? And here's what greets us every morning. Good morning. There's Joe. Back it up, boys. Back it up. No. Here we are. This is Sugar. Hello, Sugar. And that's Joe. And this is Trigger. This is Trigger. With her ears back. And here's Joy. Hi, Joy. How you doing? Joey wants to have some breakfast. The baby. Here are the baby guinea fowls. This is leftover wood from our chicken shed. Alyssa, I'm trying to video it. They can't see it unless I get a little closer. There's all the babies. There's the mother and father. And here come the babies following them. 1.
They're like pigeons.
2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I miscounted, I guess. 9 and 10. The pearls right there. They're going to catch them. Here they go. They're getting kind of far away. Here's a clutch of guinea fowl. You got to go out here. This will take us past the play set and the pond. We have a couple of other horses waiting for us over there. They're hungry and ready to rock. Here's our pond.